Have you ever experienced moments of low self-confidence or self-doubt? At any point in your life, have you felt a lack of purpose or direction? Have you encountered situations that led to increased stress or anxiety? Have you ever faced difficulties in communication? Finally, have you experienced financial hardships that significantly impacted your life? There's a big chance that some of these issues sound familiar. No worries, be assured that you're not alone in facing these challenges. Today, let's talk about ways to elevate yourself. Elevating yourself begins with self-reflection. It's about understanding who you are, what you value, and where you want to go. One of the things that make each of us unique is our interests and hobbies. What are the activities or things that bring you joy, or that you particularly enjoy doing in your free time? Do you enjoy reading? If so, any favorite authors or specific books that have left a lasting impression on you? Are you into sports or physical activities? Which ones do you enjoy participating in? Or maybe you are a music enthusiast. What styles of music resonate with you? Finally, do you find joy in dancing? Remember, embracing what you love can contribute significantly to a fulfilling and enjoyable life. Moving on to another aspect of self-development, let's talk about setting goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is essential as it provides direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose. Continuous learning is a valuable resource that aids in achieving our goals. Learning doesn't stop after formal education. It's a lifelong process that allows us to adapt, grow, and evolve. So embrace new knowledge, seek mentors, and explore uncharted territories. Remember, greatest accomplishments are outside our comfort zones. Henry David Thoreau, an influential philosopher and writer, once said, "If one advances confidently in the direction of his dreams and endeavors to live the life which he has imagined, he will meet with a success unexpected in common hours." Self-development is not always easy. Stepping out of our comfort zone can be challenging, as individuals have to weigh various factors. Let's consider an individual named John. He has worked in the same company for 5 years and feels very comfortable with the tasks he performs daily. However, he aspires to advance his career and take on more significant responsibilities. So, moving beyond his comfort implies experiencing stress or discomfort. Just as it is for John, the discomfort associated with leaving one's comfort zone can indeed lead many individuals to remain where they are, even if they desire change. This discomfort poses a significant challenge that often acts as a barrier to stepping outside the familiar space. Richard Marcinko, a former Navy SEAL, once emphasized that people often prefer to stay where they are because it makes life easier. So, to summarize, comfort zone offers ease, but may hinder personal development. It's easy to perceive self-development as a buzzword, given its widespread use in today's discussions about personal growth. However, true self-development is a lifelong process that extends far beyond fleeting trends. Self-development is a conscious decision to invest in oneself, develop personal values and skills to create a more fulfilling and enjoyable life. It's a deliberate and ongoing process that requires dedication and patience. The results of self-development encompass a variety of positive changes that elevate one's life in multiple dimensions. Self-development uncovers untapped potential within oneself. It unlocks hidden talents, strengths, and capabilities. It enables individuals to challenge and overcome self-imposed limitations. Self-development enhances communication, empathy, and the ability to connect more deeply with others. It helps in discovering a sense of purpose and direction in life. Finally, self-development encourages individuals to take decisive steps towards their aspirations. Lao Tzu, the ancient Chinese philosopher, once said, A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So self-development is a lifelong journey, and so let's dive right in on how we can start this journey. As mentioned before, the first step is reflection. Take some time to introspect. Reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, goals, and aspirations. Ask yourself meaningful questions. What areas of my life do I want to improve? What are my passions and interests? What do I value the most? Once you've reflected on yourself, it's time to set clear and achievable goals. Break down your larger aspirations into smaller, manageable steps. These goals will act as guiding stars, motivating you to keep moving forward. Now, let's talk about continuous learning. Expand your knowledge and skills by reading books, attending workshops, taking online courses, or seeking mentorship. Embrace new experiences and challenges. Cultivating positive habits and routines is essential. Start small. Incorporate habits like healthy eating, regular exercise, mindfulness practices, or a consistent sleep schedule. And finally, challenges. They are inevitable in any journey. Learn from setbacks, adapt, and keep moving forward. And there you have it. Starting your self-development journey is about personal growth, achieving goals, career advancement, and a more fulfilling life. In the self-development journey, many face obstacles that do not allow them to move forward. People often find themselves standing at the crossroads, uncertain of where to begin. The amount of information and choices can be overwhelming, paralyzing even the most motivated individuals. The fear of failure also looms large, casting shadows on the path of self-development. Moreover, some might not comprehend why they need to start this journey or how it could positively impact their lives. The answer to overcoming these obstacles lies in taking small, purposeful steps. It begins by identifying specific areas for growth and setting clear intentions. Focus on what you genuinely want to achieve. Progress, not perfection, should be the compass guiding your journey. Understand that every step, no matter how small, propels you forward. At this channel, we are committed to guiding you through the transformative journey of self-development, breaking it down into 5 distinct phases. These phases are structured to cater to everyone, from beginners to those seeking more advanced strategies for personal growth. The first phase serves as the foundation. In this initial phase, we'll explore the meaning of the term personal growth, the art of setting achievable goals, cultivating self-discipline to stay committed, mastering time management to make the most of every moment, and paying considerable attention to self-care. Building upon the foundation of the first phase, our journey progresses to the second phase, concentrating on mental and emotional well-being. This phase is dedicated to equipping you with the tools to manage stress, cope with anxiety, embrace mindfulness and meditation, and cultivate the power of positive thinking. Remember, as Robert Schuller once said, tough times never last, but tough people do. Moving forward on our transformative path, we step into the third phase, a phase dedicated to personal growth and development. We'll delve into the transformative power of habits, discovering how they shape our lives. Uncovering our passions will be a key focus, guiding us towards a more purposeful existence. Moreover, we'll explore effective problem-solving strategies that empower us to navigate life's complexities. Finally, we'll talk about how to foster deeper connections and relationships that bring joy and fulfillment. As our journey progresses, we venture into the fourth phase, a phase dedicated to career growth and personal success. In this phase, we'll explore the entrepreneurial mindset, talk about the importance of networking, guiding us on the art of building connections. Additionally, we'll cover the topic of public speaking, empowering ourselves to articulate ideas with confidence and impact. Finally, we'll emphasize the importance of maintaining a work-life balance and understanding that personal success is about life that's fulfilling both professionally and personally. As we approach the culmination of our transformative journey, we enter the fifth phase, an exploration into financial mastery and the cultivation of a wealth mindset. In this phase, we'll delve into the intricacies of financial mastery, learning the essentials of budgeting, saving, investing wisely, and making informed financial decisions. Moreover, we'll explore the interconnection between our mindset and wealth creation, understanding that cultivating a wealth mindset is foundational to achieving financial stability. Recognizing that wealth is more than just an amount of money, we'll dive into the principles that Dave Ramsey, a famous radio personality, encapsulates in his quote, "Rich isn't an amount of money, it's a mindset about how you live. If you believe you can win, you can." Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of direction, envisioning a life where everything feels within your control. It's about the gradual evolution towards becoming a better version of yourself. Join our community where we share insights, empower one another, and embark on this beautiful journey of self-discovery and growth together. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay connected and receive valuable content that fuels your personal transformation.